Oduduwa University, Ipetu Module, PNB 5533, Ile-Ife, a federal government licensed university. Admissions into full-time, part-time degrees and postgraduate degrees are now on. Report for screening this Thursday at 12 p.m. at Oduduwa University, Ipetu Module, PNB 5533, Ile-Ife. Telephone 080 56 56 56 56 or Oduduwa Polytechnic 213 Egbeda Idimu Road, Idimu, Lagos. Telephone 080 58 55 55 58 or Better Foundation Plaza, Plot 359, B2 Ukiwe Street, Jabi, Abuja. Telephone 080 56 56 56 56. Oduduwa University, yes, committed to qualitative education.
Good morning. I am Dr. Kofo A. Adegoye, FCA, the acting provost of Sijuade College of Environmental Design and Management of Oduduwa University. This is a college out of the 6 colleges of the university, having 3 departments, namely, you have Department of Architecture, Department of Estate Management, Department of Quantity Surveying. I'm highly delighted to inform you that all the 3 departments have been duly accredited by the National Universities Commission, and the professional bodies too recognize the 3 departments. We have the Chartered Institute of Architecture, they recognize it. The Institute of Estate Surveyors and Valuers recognize our estate management, and that of the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Nigeria. They also recognize our courses. So our students too, apart from the classwork or lectures, they still go for CWES, and this is the practical aspect of their work. So for the estate management and quantity survey, they participate in CWES, that's Students Industrial Workers Experience Scheme. They go when they are second semester 400 level, and they spend about 6 months there before coming back. For estate management and quantity survey, they spend 5 years before they graduate as BSc graduates. That's why you have BSc Estate Management, BSc Quantity Survey. So the 2 programs are of 5 years each. Then with that of architecture, the program is only for 4 years. So at 300 level, during the long vac, they go for their own industrial training just to expose them to the practical aspect of their work. The university is doing everything possible for the college so as to leverage, so as to be at par with other colleges in the university and with other universities in the whole world. We admit our students 100 level with O-level results, and that includes English language and mathematics, with other 3 relevant courses. For those that will be coming on direct entry, they must have been those that have attended OND architecture in the various polytechnics, accredited polytechnics, or OND quantity surveying, or OND architecture before they can come in direct entry, or those that have written IGMB. So these are students that we take. On special request, students can come on transfer, but we must have found out from the releasing university if there is no case of crisis relating to that student before we take the student into our university. During the session, we still do what we call exhibition. Exhibition is when our students will come together displaying what they are able to do during their course of study. For the architecture, all the drawings that they are able to make, 100 level, 200 level, 300 level, 400 level. And they are models too. So we bring them together. We have our annual exhibition. We often invite other universities to participate. At times we invite companies to participate, bringing their products. In addition, we still send our students on field visits. Look at the project going on there, intervene the resident engineers, the lecturers there, exposing them to what they are to meet or what they are to experience when they graduate from the school. So we go on site inspection, field inspection for our students to see what they have been learning in class, see the practical aspect of it. So we still expect more students as we talk, that we expect more students to enroll with our college. Since our college, you have your BSc, that's academic certificate. Then by the time you register too, you have the opportunity to register as a professional student with the professional bodies of each department. We encourage our students as they go on with their BSc program to enroll or register with the professional bodies so that they have two opportunities as an academic and as a professional.
So here in Oduduwa University, there's the experience I've had in Oduduwa University. Basically, the students are exposed to a lot of intensive research. Apart from the conventional classes you have, and then the drafting as architecture students, you're also exposed to extensive and intensive research, where you are encouraged and also trained to go out there and learn things on your own, apart from being within the university. The lecturers here are extremely helpful, and they directly aid the development of the students, both intrinsic and extrinsic.
This is the Polytechnic Ile-Ife. The Polytechnic Ile-Ife is federal government approved. It has accreditation of its programs by the NDTE. The Polytechnic Ile-Ife is listed in the JAM brochure. Courses offered are national and higher national diplomas in accountancy, business administration, electrical and electronics, computer studies, computer engineering, mass communication, and statistics. Candidates wishing to change their polytechnics of choice to the Polytechnic Ile-Ife are to contact the registrar, the Polytechnic Ile-Ife, or our Lagos office, Oduduwa Plaza, 213 Egbeda Idimu Road, Idimu, Lagos. Telephone 080 56 56 56 56 or 080 58 55 55 58, or our website, the Polytechnic Ile-Ife. Yes, the first private polytechnic in Nigeria.
My name is Architect Adeyemo Adekunle Olawumi. I'm the acting HOD Department of Architecture, Oduduwa University. I'd like to tell you about some of the things we do in the department as a whole. We teach the students the arts and science of architecture, and at the same time, we have various studio classes for all our students from 100 level to 400 level, and then we have studio coordinators that tutor them on design process skills, as well as different presentation medias, from presentation drawings to working drawings, as well as working drawings on site. And then, as much as possible, we try to take our students to various construction sites, whereby we teach them ongoing projects. We show them ongoing projects to be able to see physically and meet other professionals in the built environment. As much as possible, we teach them design process solving skills, how to approach designs using different conceptualizations from various renowned architects like Le Corbusier, Franco Wright, Zahadid, and the rest of them. And then we'll teach them to manipulate shapes and form. And then what sets us apart from other universities is that we have a 24 hours section for studio. Our studio section is opened throughout for 24 hours. At the same time, we have a befitting library for our students to aid their understanding about architecture. And then to cap it up, we have computer-aided design. We teach our students how to use softwares, applications, from 2D drawings to 3D drawings, as well as freehand drawings and conceptualizations. So I want to encourage you, parents and guardians, to bring your students, your ward, your children to Oduduwa University to study architecture, and then I will show you are glad you did bringing them around. Thank you.
My name is Alabi Mary Yetunde. I'm a student of architecture department here in Oduduwa University, Ipetumodu, Ile-Ife, Osun State. Architecture is a field of study that deals with the designing and construction of buildings and structures. My learning experience on Oduduwa University has been excellent. My lecturers have imbibed the right attitude to work and ethics, which I believe would guide me through my journey in life. I've learned in stages how to design buildings, how to what the construction process basically involves, and how to monitor the construction process in a nutshell. With everything I have learned, I'm sure I'll be able to overcome others I'll be faced with in this profession due to my stay here in Oduduwa University. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ainokende Oluwase, a lecturer in the Department of Estate Management, College of Environmental Design and Management, Oduduwa University, Ipetumodu. In the Department of Estate Management, our students have been trained on how to effectively manage and use land resources. Estate management as a course is a 5-year program where in 400 level our students go out to gain practical knowledge about the course. In estate management, our students are being trained on and exposed to various functions of estate management on how to handle property valuation, property development, estate agency, auctioneering, property maintenance and management. So in estate management, once our students graduate, they can work anywhere so far that they place their activities based on land. So I would like to encourage our parents out there to bring in their students, and as you are bringing in your students to the Department of Estate Management, you will never regret it. Thank you and God bless you all.
My name is Emoibu Andrew from the Department of Estate Management, College of Environmental Design and Management, CEDM. As you can see, the school is a very beautiful school, very beautiful atmosphere. We have wonderful lecturers who impart us with knowledge, morals, in terms of theoretical and then the practical what we are going to see immediately we graduate from the school. So, what am I saying? We have experienced, well-nurtured and seasoned lecturers in the school who have been impacting us. And so I want to encourage every one of you guys out there, you can easily apply to Oduduwa University. Estate management precisely is a very good course. I bet you'll never regret it, and it will be very, very wonderful if you come in. Thank you.
Hello parents, do you want to give your ward the best polytechnic education? Oduduwa Polytechnic 213 Egbeda Idumu Road, Idumu, Lagos is the answer. Oduduwa Polytechnic Lagos is an affiliate of Oduduwa University Ile-Ife. After your 2 years ND program of Oduduwa Polytechnic, you will get automatic admission to Oduduwa University Ile-Ife. Oduduwa Polytechnic is licensed by the federal government and accredited by the National Board for Technical Education. For further details, call Oduduwa Polytechnic, located at 213 Egbeda Idimu Road, Idimu, Lagos. For candidates who want to change their institutions of choice through JAM to Oduduwa Polytechnic, contact the Rector, Oduduwa Polytechnic, 213 Egbeda Idimu Road, Idimu, Lagos, or call 080 58 55 55 58 or visit our website www.oduduwapolytechnic.edu.ng.